to explain what habits are in 2 words, it's basically automatic behaviors, right? Doing this behavior pretty much outsources it to the subconscious. So why is habits so important? Why is it studied so widely? Because it's the brain's top way of managing efficiency. How does the brain know, right, that this is the time for a habit to come into play? The way habits work is that the brain recognizes the situation. This situation is familiar. I know what to do. I'll take over. The reason why ye learning habit tak has come is because there was also a reward while learning. The way that learning becomes a habit is if there are some ingredients in place where you're trying to break a habit. People are trying to break the trigger itself. I have to build good habits, but I don't end up doing the action or doing the behavior that is required. So the brain's now trying to do everything when the brain is getting tired. When these are the cases, then the brain wants to go towards shortcuts, right? And a habit is a beautiful shortcut. So that investors who keep checking their portfolios every day, but checking their charts, the minute they see something drop, they have this urge to distance themselves from that loss, right? This urge to do an action. Now about good habits, right? It's also like a pre-commitment device. Minute your salary comes in, you know that you are not going to be able to resist. Now this is a great habit. It's a habit you engineered. Financial decision making is complicated. It is emotional. And the minute it is these two things, then your brain is like hardwired to slip into default mode. Human beings are built for immediate gratification. Now, abhi mujhe ye chahiye, main baad mein I'll figure out how to do, what to do. But now it will be rewarding to me. Financial decision making is because of these intrinsic emotional triggers. That's the start of that bad habit. Habits like these, which work with internal triggers, it works from internal body states. That is most dangerous, the bad habits of those kinds. That future self is a stranger because the brain prefers rewards abhi. So it's a double whammy. One is that it's not rewarding, it's effortful. The second problem is the reward is not now, the reward is in the future. Right, is one of the hacks to making a good habit. There are multiple things that you can do, and to break a habit is the exact opposite. घर को invisible बनाओ as much as possible. And अगर आपको कुछ, you want to break a habit, introduce friction. It's engineering at the end of the day. It's about engineering this loop or breaking it.
Welcome everybody to today's podcast. This is a podcast dedicated to behavioral finance. And today we have with us a very special guest, Divya. Divya is a good friend. Divya has been in the behavioral science domain, working on road safety, on safety of all types, financial inclusion, and a lot of other FMCG and in the industrial, so studying human behavior in different settings. Good to have you, Divya.
Great to be here, Vikash. Thank you.
So today the topic is behavior change and specifically about habits. So we'll discuss about habits and how they relate to specific behaviors that we have. So Divya, over to you. So tell us, what are habits and how are they related to behaviors?
Thanks, Vikash. Thanks for that introduction. So habits, I think, is one of the most studied phenomenon, if you want to call it, in behavior science, neuroscience, le lo aap, whatever behavior science umbrella you want to look at, habits have been studied. There's books that have been written on habits. I don't know if any of the readers have, listeners have read Atomic Habits is one of the most popular ones. But even before that, Charles Duhigg, many books have been written on habits, right? Because it's actually beautiful the way habits work, and we'll talk about it soon. But if you want to explain what habits are in 2 words, right, it's basically automatic behaviors, right? Then there is your link to behavior also, Vikash, right there. Now, what do I mean by automatic behaviors? It is basically behaviors that we have repeated, not just learned, but we have learned, we have practiced, we have repeated so many times that the brain does not need to put any cognitive power or put any energy, right, into making doing this behavior, right? It pretty much outsources it to the subconscious and says, aap dekh lo, right? I will take care of more things that need computational energy, that need brain's energy, right? So why is habits so important? Why is it studied so widely? Because it's the brain's top way of managing efficiency, right? What that means is, we have limited resources, limited cognitive resources, limited energy that the brain has to do its processing. And we have a million things that, need our attention, need our processing power every day, right, screaming at us. And therefore the brain can't cope, right? It's already doing an amazing job. It can't do better if it can't kind of like a manager allocate his tasks to somebody else, right? So there are two parts of the brain. One is called the prefrontal cortex. Now, the prefrontal cortex is the part that handles thinking, deliberating, making decisions in real time, right? As things are happening to us, it's the part that is, processing the information, taking the decisions that need to be taken, thinking about it. All of this is happening. And then when it comes to habits, it doesn't need all of this, right? It's automatic. I think the most important word we talked about is automatic. It doesn't need, the prefrontal cortex doesn't need to come into play, right? When we are learning something, if you see a brain scan, when we are learning a behavior, then the prefrontal cortex is very, very active because of all the reasons we talked about, right? But uh, take example of brushing your teeth, right? When you're learning to brush your teeth, for example, as a child, your parents are asking you, yahan pe brush kiya, wahan pe brush, this side, that side, up, down, all of it,
Mhm.
right? And you're actually thinking about it and doing it. And even a better example is driving. If you want to think about driving, right? And how the amount of processing when you're learning to drive, how overwhelming it is, right? Aapne clutch press kiya, or are you pressing the accelerator or the brake,
Mhm.
right? Are you looking at the traffic that's coming and deciding what to do? All of this is happening in split seconds, right? So imagine how much brain power it needs. So when you're learning to do it, all of the prefrontal cortex is lit up trying to learn this behavior, trying to make all these decisions, right? But when you've practiced it, when you've done it enough times and practiced it, you don't, you're not even thinking about it anymore, right? So it's all happening automatically. Think about now when you're driving, if you're used to driving on the road,
Mhm.
you barely think about it. Something that happens in the background and you're thinking about, aaj kya khana hai dinner mein, ke, abhi, how much traffic is there on this route. That's what you're thinking about. But the driving itself, the brain is taking care of, right? So when it becomes a habit, right, whether you're brushing your teeth or whether you're driving, the brain stem, it's called basal ganglia, the another part, right, that is the part that takes over the habit, and not the computing part, not the prefrontal cortex, right? So the beauty of design of the brain, I think, is what is brought out in the habit of how the brain kind of organizes and efficient, makes it efficient for itself, right? And so that's why
बिल्कुल
it's very, very important. But yeah.
सो अगर मैं आपकी बात को थोड़ा सा रिपीट करूं, मतलब व्हेन वी वर किड्स, जब हम लोग छोटे थे, ट्राइंग टू लर्न साइकिलिंग, तो जब वो
Correct.
साइकिलिंग सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, तो मतलब ध्यान आपका चले जाता है कि पेडल
Correct.
पे सही लिखा हुआ है, हैंडल सही पकड़ रहे हैं, तो अगर वहां पे ध्यान रखता था, आप आगे सामने नहीं देख रहे हो तो फिर गिर
Correct.
जाते थे। तो
Correct.
वो धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करते करते कुछ दिनों बाद फिर वो आपको कह सकते हैं हैबिट हो गया कि अच्छा चलो, अब आपको ध्यान पेडलिंग पे नहीं रखना है, सामने
Correct.
सिर्फ देख रहे हैं, और अपने आप वो चीज़ें होती रहेंगी, कब स्लो करना है, कब ब्रेक
Correct.
ब्रेक लगाना
Correct.
है, एंड सो ऑन। तो
Ultim,
वो एक
the ultima, if you actually think about it, it might get like messed up, right? Because your
एग्ज़ैक्टली।
brain's not used to thinking about abhi pedal niche karu ke upar kar, so even you can think about the confusion. But so that's how intrinsic that habit is, automatic.
हुँ,
Because the other
हुँ,
interesting part is, right, like, how does the brain know, right, that this is the time for a habit to come into play, right? And I think yahan pe, that's two things that we mentioned we mentioned in passing, but I think we have to focus upon it a little bit, is that situation, एक
हुँ, हुँ,
सिचुएशन है जिसमें एक्शन होता है, राइट? नाउ द वे हैबिट्स वर्क इज दैट द ब्रेन recognizes the situation and it says, you know what, this situation is familiar, I know what to do, I'll take over, right? And that's the action, situation may action, right? So when the situation is so familiar that you've woken up in the morning and you go into the bathroom, turn on the light, the brain is just, takes over and it kind of
हुँ,
does it
हुँ,
automatically, right? So this context situation को हम in behavior science language context बोलते हैं, ये context is very, very important, because a habit, the way it's formed is that there is a situation, the brain recognizes the situation, says that I'll take over, I'll perform the action. And the reason why, right, ये learning habit tak has come is because there was also a reward while learning, right? So आप brushing ले लो, you're brushing your teeth, you have that minty fresh breath after after it, that's the reward. So much so that आपको अगर your mouth feel is not okay, you have not brushed in the morning, right?
एब्सोल्युटली,
So
एब्सोल्युटली।
automatically it's the first thing that your brain wants to do to get that reward. right? So the way that learning becomes a habit, not all learning becomes a habit, but the way that learning becomes a habit is if there are some ingredients in place for it to become a habit, right? Now ye ingredients kya hota hai? The situation, the context that we talked about, in habit language they call it the trigger, right? Dusra ye hai ki the action, which is what your brain says, I'll take over and take care, don't worry. That's the action. And the reward is basic, what do you get out of it, right? So in again, we all know this in neuroscience and behavioral science. It's not just reward, right? But even anticipation of reward that can be rewarding. So
Absolutely.
aapka, one is to take that trip to Goa that you've been thinking about, right? But so that trip itself is rewarding, but the anticipation of the trip, the 2 months up till that, till that trip happens, that itself is, spikes dopamine and is very, very rewarding for people, right? So if these three things come into play and keeps getting cemented again and again and again, then a habit can be formed, right? But
Absolutely. तो ये कॉन्टेक्स्ट का थोड़ा सा मैं अगर मतलब जस्ट करेक्ट मी तो
mm,
जैसे कई बार हम लोग सो हैव दिस हैबिट ऑफ एक मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए जाना है सुबह सुबह, ठीक है? तो हैबिट है वो और वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट है जैसे आप बता रहे हो यहाँ पे है तो। अब कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि कहीं पे हम लोग गए हैं फॉर सम मैरिज और समथिंग फॉर 4 दिन के लिए वहाँ गए हैं। तो वहाँ पे ध्यान पे भी नहीं आया कि अरे आज तो सुबह उठने के बाद यू आर लाइक नॉर्मल, एवरीबॉडी इज देयर एंड देन यू डोंट फील द मोमेंट यू कम बैक। तो वो जो वहाँ पे मिस हो गया था वो और ज़्यादा आपको फ़ील नहीं हुआ था क्योंकि आप वॉक पे नहीं गए, बिकॉज़
correct,
वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं था तो आपके ब्रेन को वो
correct,
सारे जो
correct,
क्या कहते हैं, जो सिचुएशन चाहिए था, जो इनपुट्स चाहिए था वो मिले नहीं एंड देयरफॉर वो हैबिट का ट्रिगर हुआ नहीं
correct.
एंड सो आई थिंक दैट्स अ गुड वे टू look at triggers, so getting into that trigger mode is also important to
Important.
sustain
and
habits.
and if you look at places where again, and I'm sure we'll talk about it, but places where you're trying to break a habit, right? People are trying to break the trigger itself. It's easier to break now, Vikash, than the reward that you get out of it, or because your brain also anticipates reward sometimes, right? So ye trigger ko Alcoholics Anonymous dekh lo. What they try to do is tell you, don't go to the bars, right? Don't enter a bar, right? Or the friends that if you go out you'll have a drink with, मत जाओ उस फ्रेंड्स के
Absolutely.
के साथ फॉर अ while, because you're trying to break that trigger, exactly like you said, when you go out of town वो trigger नहीं होता है, तो it doesn't feel
वर्क
like,
नहीं हो जाता।
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly, very
तो
important.
इनफैक्ट मतलब दैट यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड इट, सो ब्रिंग्स मी टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कि ये जो हैबिट्स है या जो बिहेवियर्स है, लेट्स से कुछ अनहेल्पफुल अनहेल्दी हैबिट्स है, उनको मतलब व्हाई इज इट सो डिफिकल्ट टू ब्रेक दैट एंड टू गेट न्यू हैबिट्स व्हिच आर हेल्पफुल? तो कई बार हम लोग सोचते हैं हमें ये करना है, बट वो उस हैबिट में आने में मतलब बहुत एफर्ट लगता है या मुश्किल हो जाता है। तो पहले तो आप ये बताइए कि उसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कैसे करें? बुरे बुरे आदतों को छोड़ना है, उनको डिसमेंटल करना है और अच्छी आदतों को अगर एब्जॉर्ब करना है, अडॉप्ट करना है,
Right.
तो कैसे
So
किया जा सकता है या क्यों है पहली बात तो?
तो ये बिहेवियरल साइंस में थियरी सब बहुत अच्छा होता है, लाइक यू कैन
हुँ,
कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड, बट प्रैक्टिस करना इवन नाउ, राइट? लाइक
एब्सोल्युटली।
सो सब यू कैन डू ऑल द जिम मेंबरशिप्स यू वांट, यू कैन टेल योरसेल्फ दैट मैं आई विल वर्क आउट 5 times a day, और आई गो ऑन 10 kilometer walks or 10,000 steps or whatever it is that we do,
हुँ,
but
हुँ,
you underestimate the power of your brain, right? So this is a very interesting topic for me, Vikash. This part of why is intent. So we call it intent, right? कि मेरा intent ये है कि मैं exercise करूँ, मेरा intent ये है कि मैं I will eat healthy, right? मेरा intent ये है कि मैं I won't check my trading data like constantly again and again and again. Now
या
why does that not convert into action, right? Or why can't
हुँ, हुँ,
or
हुँ,
on the other say side जो आप बोल रहे थे कि
नेगेटिव।
those habits which are already formed,
हुँ,
right?
हुँ, हुँ,
Like me picking up the phone and checking, so and without before even knowing it you're on social media, Twitter or Instagram, god knows down what rabbit hole you've gone, right?
या
Why is it so hard to break? I think many reasons, but we'll take it one by one, right? The first reason is this context dependency that we talked about, right? So अगर आपको so also remember that this has become repeated, this is a repeated action that you've learned, not just learned it, you've repeated it so many times that your brain has kind of taken over it, it's become automatic, right?
हुँ, हुँ,
So one is, imagine convincing, let's talk about the brain as a third person for now, but imagine convincing your brain that don't conserve energy, right? Like put
हुँ, हुँ,
lots of energy into everything. So nahi hota hai, right? It won't happen because
एब्सोल्युटली
it's
वो
put in so much energy into making this a habit in the first place, right? Second, is the situation, this control that the brain takes over when it recognizes the situation, right? So when you wake up in the morning and you're feeling even a little bit sleepy, the brain is going to say go back to sleep, right? Yeah, yahi pe just put your head on the thakya and go back to sleep, right?
Yeah.
Now where are you going to get up and leave? Because the brain again prioritizes predictability. So it knows the reward it's going to get. It knows that if you lie down and go to sleep, you'll get that beautiful sleep as the reward, right?
Yeah.
It's also a calm time for the brain. So again, it's selfish in that sense, right? So it craves predictability. It knows that if I do this, I will bad habits ke baat ab bhi kar raha hai, but if I do this, I'll get the reward, right? It's already learnt it and it wants that reward, right? So that's one reason. The second reason is the fact that the again intent हमने बोला था और action का gap, right? That is, I want to do good things for myself. I want to do good habits. I want to build good habits, but I don't end up doing the action that is required or doing the behavior that is required, right? Why? Because the system, the brain system that's doing the intention is a different system, right? And the one that's doing the action is a completely different system, right? Now, so it's not actually talking together, right? Now, what do I mean by that? Thoda sa agar explain karu to the part of the brain that is making these good intentions is the cold state, right? It's the rational part of your brain, again the prefrontal cortex, poor thing, which is saying that Vikash is putting on weight, needs to lose weight, right? So Vikash needs to do XYZ. So I promise I'll do it is the prefrontal cortex, which is the rational part of the brain talking, right? But the part of the brain that determines the actions that are going to be taken is still very much guided by emotions, right? So and when you start talking about emotions, that's one more like a whole mine. But that part of the brain is more worried about conserving energy. That part of the brain is worried about doing what's familiar. That part of the brain is more worried about doing what is rewarding, right? So the part of the brain that's taking the action is guided by emotions and not by the rational cold state part. So we call this gap the cold state hot state gap, right? The empathy gap. So what's another reason why it's so hard is that it's two different people that are taking two different decisions, if you think about it that way, right?
In
And
fact,
so
मतलब the way you were describing, I could almost think कि यहाँ पे दो नहीं, इनफैक्ट तीन लोग हैं. एक तो मैं हूँ, मतलब एज ए पर्सन एंड आई वांट टू डू, मुझे ये अच्छी चीजें, अच्छे हैबिट्स लाने हैं.
correct,
फिर जो आपका ब्रेन है, वो एक अलग एंटिटी है जो सोचता है मुझे कंजर्व करना है, ऑटोमेटिक करना है, और
correct,
ये रिवॉर्ड्स के लिए कर रहा है. नाउ एज यू एक्सप्लेन्ड इट, जैसा आप एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे, उसके अंदर भी अब दो भाग है. एक भाग है जो आपका रैशनल स्टेट है, जो आपका सिस्टम
correct,
टू हम कह लें, जो मतलब डेलिब्रेटिव है, सोच के कि हाँ ये करना है. और फिर एक जो मतलब उत्तेजित, जो हॉट स्टेट वाला आपका भाग है, इमोशनली ड्रिवन है, कि
correct.
मतलब मुझे चट से चाहिए रिजल्ट्स, तो ये रिजल्ट्स वाला या जो आउटकम्स वाला जो भाग है. तो एक्चुअली यहाँ पे एक तरह से, well, if you think of it, brain has two parts itself, and then you being the observer, and you are trying to see who wins, and then
Correct. Exactly. So
so
it's the odds are loaded against the emotional guy, right? Not so much the rational guy. But because there's one more reason for this, right? And I think that's also very important. One more reason that we want to talk about, and that reason is that this rational part, this rational prefrontal cortex, right? So the other thing that we need to remember is that this is linking back to what we said about thoda hi resources hai, thoda hi energy hai jo brain has to conserve and use, right? Because so many demands are being made on our attention, and it's only increasing day by day, right? So most times the guy that is deliberate, which is your prefrontal cortex that we were talking about, right? The rational part of your brain is under constant demand, right? Something or the other we are constantly learning, thinking about, or deciding or doing, right? Now when the prefrontal cortex is tired, right? And tired I use as a lack of a better word, but when it's getting depleted of its resources, right? The prefrontal cortex, that is when the brain will switch to habits like matlab aise, right? Because already ye deplete ho raha hai prefrontal cortex ka resources or energy, and so the brain's now trying to do everything by the emotional guy, right? Or the hum heuristics bolte hai usko, right? So when the brain is getting tired, when you're emotionally, let's call it spent, right? Or when you're in a currently unfamiliar place or you're anxious, ye sab le lo, right? When these are the cases, then the brain you wants to go towards shortcuts, right? And habit is a beautiful shortcut. It's the best designed shortcut that there is, right? So it will go towards the more learned habits. It will try to give away as much as possible to the subconscious, saying आप कर लो, right? मुझसे अभी नहीं होगा, right? मेरे बस में नहीं है अभी ये करने के लिए. And so that is the third part, is that so often if you're so cognitively drained or tired, it will default to habits, right? So so the most important part is habits don't die. You can't stop habits. You have to rewire habits with even stronger habits, right? Because habits have already been learned. They're already being chosen by the brain. So they don't just go away, right? It's very impossible to make habits die.
So what you've already stated, just repeating that थोड़ा सा, uh, the idea of जो डिप्लीशन है is also tied to the विल पावर जो आप बता रहे थे. मतलब जो विल पावर है अगर आप यूज करते हो टू ओवरकम बैड हैबिट्स, जो आपकी गंदी आदतें हैं, जो बुरी आदतें हैं, उसको हटाने के लिए या नई आदतों को अडॉप्ट करने के लिए, तो मतलब इफ आई टेक योर ट्रेन ऑफ थॉट, तो वो शुरू में अगर आप करते हो जब आपका ब्रेन मतलब एक्टिव है, उस टाइम तो थोड़ा सा पॉसिबिलिटी है.
So that is more of that when your prefrontal cortex or your rational guy has more chances of winning is when it's not at the end of the day and it's not already resourced and taxed and so on and so forth, right? So to keep your fights for earlier on when it has more chances of winning, right? The rational guy, that's what a commitment device is, right, Vikash? So if you look at what you suggested, वो एक तरफ की commitment device है, which means that you know this is how you're going to behave, you know this is how your brain's going to behave. So lock yourself in the morning where your best chances, rather than, later on in the day where million things could happen, right? You might need to get into a call, you might need to get into a meeting. Excuses are throwing themselves at you rather than in the morning. But yes, 100%.
Yeah, and then taking your even that the idea of waking up on the alarm, मतलब the moment आप एक बार snooze बटन दबा देते हो, तो आप आधी जंग तो वहीं पे
Battle is
हार चुके हो.
very,
ठीक
yeah,
है, क्योंकि
absolutely.
10 मिनट बाद आपका जरूरी नहीं है वो फिर से वो ब्रेन आप मतलब उसको तो एक तरह से मतलब टू यूज ए कलोकियल वे कि उसको खून का टेस्ट तो लग गया है, मतलब इट हैज
Correct.
टेस्टेड ब्लड.
Exactly. Yeah,
सो मतलब
reward
आप
has
अपने,
happened.
हाँ, तो वो ब्रेन को आप मतलब जब तक एक अलग इंसान की तरह आपके अंदर है हालांकि वो, बट एक उसको एक अलग से दोस्त या दुश्मन जो भी आप अगर समझना शुरू कर दो, और फिर एक बच्चा है बेसिकली ब्रेन आपका, इट्स लाइक ए चाइल्ड. एंड
Yes.
इफ यू कैन सॉर्ट ऑफ, जब आपका कोल्ड स्टेट है, जब आप थोड़ा सा उसको प्रॉपरली सोच सकते हो, तब आप बोलो कि अच्छा ठीक है, इसको बच्चों को मैं ऐसे 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 इसको,
Correct.
सो जो आपके ये
Correct.
जो कमिटमेंट डिवाइसेस आप बता रहे हो, इस तरह से आप पहले ही उसको बांध दो कि
Correct.
अगर ये नहीं किया तो तुम्हें ये रिवॉर्ड तो नहीं मिल पाएगा, टाइप्स एंड सो ऑन.
Exactly. So the again to retouch, right? Trigger important है, the action itself and the reward at the end of it, right? So ये बोलते हैं habit loop, but yeah.
रिपीट करें तो कॉन्टेक्स्ट हो गया, रिवॉर्ड हो गया, और फिर आपका जो पूरा का पूरा एनवायरनमेंट
Correct. Correct.
है रिवॉर्ड. How does these habits relate to financial decision making? Is obviously like any other decision making during the day, but because many of our users would be interested in financial decision making, तो वहाँ पे ये habits कई सारे, एक दो जो आपने बात भी की है कि रेगुलरली स्टॉक मार्केट देखते हैं, उसका देखा है, या इन्वेस्टमेंट से रिलेटेड कि हाँ हम बाद में सेव करेंगे, इस तरह की कई सारी हैबिट्स हो जाती हैं. खर्चों पे लोगों का कंट्रोल नहीं रहता है, तो इस तरह की बहुत सारी हैबिट्स होती हैं. आई थिंक यू ऑलरेडी टच्ड ऑन बिकॉज यू स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल से आप बात कर रहे हो, तो लोग अब खुद ब खुद अपना मतलब जो गलतियां कर रहे हैं, और या जो हालांकि हम लीवर्स पे बात करेंगे अभी थोड़ी देर में कि कैसे ओवरकम कर सकते हैं इनको, बट आई थिंक नोइंग द प्रॉब्लम इज हाफ द बैटल वन.
Solution. Yeah,
या
100%. And so मैं खुद से नहीं बोल रही हूँ. I read it somewhere and I thought it was such a beautiful sentence, right? That it says that in the financial, people think that they're making financial decisions, but what they're doing is actually just doing financial habits, executing financial habits, right? Which makes so much sense, right? Because क्योंकि आप देख लो, whether you want to look at it in investing or whether you want to look at it in in trading, right? There are good habits and there are bad habits. Let's talk about both, right? How habits come into play in financial decision making. Now, if you want to look at bad habits, right? You talked about, as soon as your salary comes, this natural urge to go on a little bit of a bender or spree of, expenses. And बढ़ते जा रहा है, and you don't have much to save at the end of the day, right? So this is also one form of bad financial habit, or you talk about financial planning, where because you've fought this battle all of last month. Towards the end of last month, you ran out of savings, you ran out of money pretty much to spend on everything. Now you get a lump sum in, your brain registers it as a reward, and the money is only rewarding because of the things it can purchase or the things it can buy, right? And after taking off this willpower of the whole last month, when you're sitting with that fresh inflow of money, of course you're going to spend it, right? Of course the brain wants to get that reward that it has been anticipating for so long, right? तो आपका salary का ऐसे खर्च होना is not something that is very surprising. Also too, we've started, whether it is eating, whether it is going out, it's all very emotional, right? There is nothing as emotional as good food and food for the brain, right? And so so think about the amount you spend on eating, going out with friends, right? Entertainment, all of this has emotion laden, heavy with emotions, right? And so your brain is fighting that fight that we talked about a little earlier. So wo samajh lo habit, again, very very hard to break, this spending habit, right? Once you've gotten a taste of it. So that's one. Two, investors or traders who keep checking their market, who keep checking their portfolios every day, right? Who are checking their charts. Investors also more, like traders, that's their job, but investors ko rakh lo. The minute they see something drop, the minute they see the market drop, they have this urge to distance themselves from that loss, right? They have this urge to do an action so that that doesn't become, they're not losing money, right? So this is called loss aversion, where your brain, you do not want to make losses, and this comes very very heavily into play in financial decision making, right? So now think about, if you're getting information that the stock is dipping, you're going to take unwanted action, because again, it's very emotional. A loss is very very emotional, right? So the brain is again going to go into a habit zone like that, because it already knows what to do. It already knows to, ये दूर कर, मुझे losses नहीं चाहिए, I have to keep myself far away from losses, right? So again, bad habits. With just checking portfolio, you're doing unnecessary things to your investments that you would not have done if you hadn't checked, right? And imagine checking 20 times a day. The information is available, and things are screaming out at you, but you will check 20 times a day and you'll take unnecessary decisions, right? So that's in investing. Now let's talk about good habits, right? Because that's also important. It's also like a pre-commitment device that we had talked about a little earlier, right? Your SIPs, जो आप डाल रहे हो, right? The minute your salary comes in, you know that you are not going to be able to resist, right? Therefore, the automation has now been given to somebody else. It takes it out of your control, right? And you take the money, it takes the money and it puts it into yours. Now, this is a great habit. It's a habit you engineered. It's not a habit you're doing month on month because you've automated it and you've given it away. But this is a good financial habit, right? So there are good ways to use habits and the knowledge about habits, right? Like commitment devices. And then there are ways, what you're doing, but it's really really hard to break. So yeah, financial decision, maybe kafi sare, there's habits, because let's look, financial decision making is complicated. It is emotional, right? And the minute it is these two things, then your brain is like hardwired to slip into default mode, or automatic mode, or look for shortcuts, right? So yeah, it's a
And
prime playground for habits.
also wanted to get your thoughts on कि मतलब जो टाइम दीज टू थिंग्स कि एक तो हमने बताया डिप्लीशन, जब आप किसी चीज को कंटिन्यूअसली लॉन्ग टाइम तक कर रहा है आपका ब्रेन, तो एट द एंड मतलब ऑब्वियसली डिप्लीशन हो जाता है, विल पावर कम हो जाता है, ठीक है? तो मतलब इज इट ओके टू से दैट कि आप मान लो महीने भर मतलब ठीक है आपको एक बार सैलरी मिली थी एंड देन आफ्टर 15 डेज धीरे धीरे आपका फाइनेंशियल थोड़ा सा टाइट होते जा रहा है, टुवर्ड्स द एंड काफी मतलब इफ यू थिंक ऑफ इट कि विल पावर थोड़ा सा लो हो गया, उस टाइम अचानक से मेरे पास एक ऑफर आता है थ्रू थ्रू समबडी और थ्रू सम कंपनी कि बाय नाउ पे लेटर, मतलब उस टाइम इट्स सो इजी टू fall into that ट्रैप
Trap.
कि हाँ ठीक
Yeah.
है यार ये तो कर देते हैं, एंड देन बाद में रियलाइज किया यार इसकी तो हमें जरूरत नहीं थी, ये शूज बेकार में लिया, ये जैकेट हमने बेकार में लिया, या इवन ये ठीक है अब तो वो कर दिया है क्योंकि 3 दिन बाद या 10 दिन 5 दिन बाद सैलरी आनी है, तो वो तो उसका पहले जाएगा सबसे पहले, बिकॉज यू हैव
Correct.
प्लान्ड इट सच वे। तो
No, 100%. And it also transfers, right, Vikash? And what I mean by that is, one is जो आपने बोला था कि, it takes like through the through 2-3 weeks of the month, you're getting depleted. It need not even take that much, right? You imagine having a fight at home. Right. And that is all it takes for the brain to get kind of depleted and worn out with the with its resources, right? Or imagine you had a really tough 2 hours standing in traffic, right, where it's just not moving at all and you're so exasperated. That is enough for you when you land up at the mall, right? And somebody gives this very appealing, rewarding offer to you. Human beings are built for immediate gratification ना, अभी मैं मुझे ये चाहिए, मैं बाद में I'll figure out how to do, what to do, but now it will be rewarding to me, right? No, I'm saying, so अगर आप you're stuck in traffic for 2 hours, it's not moving, you're so exasperated, then you reach the mall and then somebody has this offer. That's enough. So आप just it's so things transfer, right? Emotions transfer from context to context also. So imagine if you're, like you said, through 2-3 weeks you've been, holding back, but also you've been in traffic, and also you go to this and it's a nice cold AC mall, after you've been stuck horribly outside. That's all. Your brain's going to jump at the chance, right?
आई
So
थिंक रियलाइज दिस द डिप्लीशन, द आइडिया ऑफ डिप्लीशन ऑफ विल पावर, ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है। जैसा आपने कहा कि मान लो किसी को अल्कोहलिज्म का था एंड ही हैज ओवरकम दैट फॉर अ वाइल, ठीक है, बट एक दिन किसी बॉस के साथ थोड़ा सा हो गया, एंड
yeah,
देन यू पास बाय द बार एंड देन एवरीथिंग गोज फॉर अ टॉस। सो बीइंग विजिलेंट लाइक इज इम्पोर्टेंट, और एटलीस्ट नोइंग दिस कि
very
अभी आपका जो ब्रेन है बहुत ही एक फिकल स्टेट में है। सो
yeah,
ड्राइविंग डिसीजंस, एनी डिसीजन, जहाँ पे भी किसी भी तरीके का डिसीजन लेना कैन बी
correct.
रियली काउंटर प्रोडक्टिव उस सिचुएशंस में। आई एम
100%.
ग्लैड या वी आर डिस्कसिंग दिस फॉर पीपल टू रियलाइज कि ये कितना आसान है आपके ब्रेन को थोड़ा सा इम्पैक्ट करना।
Correct.
और
Correct. And agar I mean, if you think we take the easy way out, that's what our brain is doing also, right? It's
या
taking the easy way out. The easy way out for the brain is the habit that has already been formed, right? So that's the power that the habit has over the brain. It's the easy way out for it, right? Because it also took a long time in getting formed, that now it's easy. I've expended so much in energy into making this habit that, you know what, now abhi to I will chalao on this habit for as long as I can. Right? So that's how the brain is thinking.
एक है ना, एक थोड़ा सा डाइग्रेस वाला, बट आई थिंक इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स आल्सो नो टू नो कि व्हाई डज द ब्रेन डू दिस, कंजर्विंग एनर्जी, बट व्हाई डज द ब्रेन नीड टू डू इट?
Because of the biggest one is because of all the other things it can do, right, Vikash? Things that are newer, right? Things that are what the brain thinks is more interesting, or what the brain thinks is not. If you talk about the brain's processing power, right, now brain is one of the, I mean, I'm not going to call it a
Energy
big or
organs.
small organ of the body, but what is 2% of body mass size, the amount of energy it consumes is very, very disproportionate, right? So it consumes about 20%, and I think that is a very
Conservative.
conservative number of the energy that is required, that is produced by the body, right? So when this is so disproportionate, think about the fact that again and again we're talking about it has limited energy, is a big one, because if you talk about what all the brain needs to process, right, Vikash, and people spend years of their life just thinking about visual processing, right? Abhi, to take, look outside the window, see the tree that you have, right? To take that and recreate it, that the brain does. The brain recreates that image, right? And to show it to you, the amount of processing power it would need to just do that, or ignore everything else that the brain is doing at the same time, like thinking about this podcast or thinking about the screens that are open on the laptop, all of it, right, is multiple watts of energy, right? So अगर आप brain को ऐसे छोड़ लेते हो, then I can't even think of
आई
how
थिंक
much.
ये इम्पोर्टेंट भी है लोगों को समझना, क्योंकि मतलब जब हम एनर्जी सोचते हैं तो मतलब मूवमेंट सोचते हैं कि ये मतलब ये कार मूव कर रही है, इसको एनर्जी चाहिए। एक स्टैटिक है ब्रेन, तो मतलब स्टैटिक है, क्या एनर्जी यूज हो रहा होगा। बट अगर मतलब एक कंप्यूटिंग के एग्जांपल से आप देखो,
Correct.
तो मतलब एक फैन चल रहा है, उससे ज्यादा आपका एक, अगर दो कंप्यूटर रखे हैं तो उनका जो सीपीयू है वो अच्छा खासा मतलब एनर्जी, मतलब
Correct.
हमने कई बार सुना भी है कि मतलब जो आपके डेटा सेंटर्स है, दे टेक अप द एनर्जी इक्विवेलेंट टू एंटायर सिटीज दीज डेज।
Exactly.
या
Exactly. That's
तो
exactly
एनर्जी
it, right?
कंजम तो ये प्रोसेसिंग में मतलब बहुत एनर्जी लगती है, और इसीलिए प्रॉब्ली ब्रेन को वो एनर्जी बचा के रखने के लिए जो ये सारे नेचर ने ये मतलब एक तरह से, सो ये एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन इज नॉट अ बैड थिंग दैट द ब्रेन डज, इट हैज बीन प्रोग्राम टू डू दैट बिकॉज
It's the only way the
सर्वाइवल, इट्स अ
body can
सर्वाइवल
keep up.
टेक्निक। क्या
Correct. It's the only way the body can keep up with the brain. It can't keep up otherwise, right? It's a survival technique. That's what it is. But because ye bhi, I think one of the if I can use one example to just all that we spoke about, right? To talk about the journey of a habit, right? From learning to everything to encompass it. And I like this example because it also talks about this processing power and this amount of information that we are constantly being bombarded with, right? So, most people today are addicted, whether it is children and whether it is us, whether it is our parents' generation, addicted to their telephones. Let's take the simplest, your mobile phone, the addiction that it has, the power that it has over you, right? Now, it started off, the way it started was hum sab jab smartphone had come, right? It demanded your attention. It would do a notification, remember when notification was a thing, where that was the trigger, right? Because the trigger was the phone would make a sound, right? And when the phone makes a sound, your brain is saying, "Arey, kuch naya hai, dekh lete hain kya hai," right? And then you open up this notification. It gave you either connection, instant social connection, kuch WhatsApp message, or even a message, right? Even a message, or WhatsApp message, or a photo that somebody has sent to you. That is an instant hit. Right. So your brain started over time saying that when this noise comes, and when this notification comes and I check my phone, right, I get some nice thing. I get a reward at the end, right? Either a social connection or just the fact that, you operated this really nice looking cell phone, right? It's all colors. And that's how, the smartphone is designed. So many colors. It's colorful, right? It completely takes your system, right? The neural system captive, right? Abhi, that is the first way, or it's a weak form of a habit where somebody has to remind you, okay, ye trigger alarm rakho, right? So that was how it began. Now, over time, Vikash, and this is why, you reminded me of it by saying, itna information hamare paas hai, right? And today's generation and today's, people are dealing with so much in the news. It used to not be that the news was in our faces like this all the time, right? Local news mein jo chapter we used to read, what was there, we would find out from world mein maybe one or two things, India mein 5-6 things, and in local news 1-2 things like this playground is getting renovated, or this was all that we used to get as news, right? Abhi, now you're getting so much news, there's so much again emotion laden news, right? That, and you're working all the time, the way that people have worked has also changed, right? That now I don't need a phone chiming, right? So I feel anxious or I feel like bored. That's now information. By the way, the information retaining, attention span of people has also decreased. Studies have shown, right? And boredom comes very easily. And so does, worry and anxiety and all of these things. The minute you're bored or you're worried or, a little bit anxious about something, God knows what, it could be anything you don't even know yet, right? Your conscious self brain doesn't know, but you pick up the phone because that's an outlet, right? It's a reward. It will give you dopamine spikes.
I mean,
That
as simple as you write a message on WhatsApp, and then you're waiting for how many people have put up that heart emoji or that like emoji or whatnot.
correct.
So
Or imagine Twitter, people doom scrolling on Twitter, on X, right? Or Twitter, or people looking at photo and photo and photo on Facebook, right? Or Instagram. It's basically escape, right? Because the minute your brain felt boredom or thing, so that is another way that habit comes into play. It goes from extrinsic triggers into intrinsic triggers like boredom or anxiety or motivation, right? And एक phone का example हमने लिया था, but the way this translates to financial decision making is because of these intrinsic emotional triggers. Like the minute I get worried अरे मार्केट में क्या चल रहा होगा, राइट? और if something makes me think about money and my future, that's all is needed. It's an immediate internal trigger of, you know what, let me खोल के देख लेती हूँ क्या what, how my portfolio is doing, and that's all. That's the start of that bad habit, right? So habits like these, which work with internal triggers, not external, like notification and chime and all these things, alarm, right? But it works from internal body states, right? Like, that is most dangerous, the bad habits of those kinds, right? But
Yeah, makes sense. So, Divya, I think this is a very important topic for people to know and relate to, because it's only this knowledge that can, help them to overcome. Because ये knowledge सबके पास है, and as you gave those examples, तो बाकी लोग ये जो loophole है इसको exploit कर रहे हैं. अब जैसे
correct,
जो
correct,
products के नाम हमने बात किए हैं, मतलब वहाँ पे हो रहा है. तो the only way people can overcome that is knowledge, कि हाँ ये ऐसा ऐसा हमारे साथ हो रहा है या हो सकता
exactly,
है.
exactly,
Moment you know, and then that humility. I think मैं बार बार लोगों को बोलता हूँ कि humility मतलब ये ऐसा नहीं है कि दिव्या को भी मतलब बहुत कुछ पता है तो ये सब चीजें अफेक्ट नहीं करेगी. मतलब
yeah,
वो
I
हॉट
got it,
स्टेट में
yes,
जब आता है तो हमारे मतलब ये इतने मिलियंस ऑफ इयर्स का एवोल्यूशन का है. मतलब जो हम कह रहे हैं ब्रेन
correct,
एनर्जी बचाता है, वो एक उसकी जरूरत है, उसके बिना उसका काम नहीं चलेगा.
correct,
तो वो चीजें ही ये सब चीजों को मतलब जन्म देती हैं, इस तरह के हैबिट्स को,
correct.
ऑटोमेटेड हैबिट्स या ऑटोमेटेड एक्शंस को. तो इसके अलावा आप कुछ बता सकते हो दिव्या, कुछ स्टेप्स, स्ट्रैटेजीज? वैसे मतलब आपने काफी कुछ ऑलरेडी कवर किया, एंड जस्ट दैट नॉलेज इटसेल्फ इज इम्पोर्टेंट. any and a related question is, how long does it take to form a habit? मतलब चाहे एक बुरा हो या एक अच्छी हैबिट मुझे अडॉप्ट करनी है, तो मतलब जैसे आपने कहा कि ब्रेन ब्रेन को थोड़ा ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा टू डू सर्टेन थिंग्स. तो एक तो आपने जो बताया कि हमारे कॉन्टेक्स्ट को ठीक करो, रिवॉर्ड जो सिस्टम है उसको करो.
Correct.
इसके अलावा वो रेपिटेशन, कुछ रेपिटेशन का टाइम होता है कि इतने बार आप कर लोगे तो मतलब ठीक है, आपको अ, घूमने जाना है फॉर इंस्टेंस, या जिम
So
जाना है.
Vikash, online now you'll find both sare, you'll find lots of papers also talking about the number of times that it takes to make perfect, like 22 to 20,000. वो सब है, right?
हम्म.
But the simple answer to your question is you cannot tell how long it takes to make a habit, because the emotionality of each of those options are different. And right, the
Absolutely.
emotionality of what you're learning is different, right? Now, this phone example, it might take nothing to move into a habit, right? It might take 5 days for you to use a smartphone and then start habitually checking, or it might take 6 days after you making a Twitter account to now be obsessed with Twitter, right? At the
Absolutely.
same time, for some of your better, more healthy habits like running, right, it's so easy to fall off of it,
Give up.
right? The
Give up.
friction that is there is so much, that's the other variable that comes into thing, is कितना friction है जब आप habit को start कर रहे हो, right? How much friction is on the way? Now, if that friction is higher, like going running ka friction, which is you're doing something your body does not want to do,
Mhm.
right? It is effortful for your body. It's going to take longer to, so
Absolutely.
sadly, the good habits take longer and the bad habits take shorter, because that's the nature of it, right? So there is no short answer to that question of, the number of hours of practice. It depends on how much friction is there, how easy it is, how attractive it is, which is how rewarding it is,
Absolutely.
right? And how satisfying it is. I think that is the biggest variable in your habit ka equation.
और मतलब ऑब्वियसली दिस विल बी टॉपिक फॉर अनदर पॉडकास्ट. तो जो आपने एग्जांपल दिया कि मतलब रनिंग और ये जो गुड हैबिट्स है, इनके लिए जो फ्रिक्शन है, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट फ्रिक्शन इज योर करंट. मतलब जो आप कर रहे हो वो अपने लिए नहीं कर रहे हो आप. मतलब
Correct.
आप अपने लिए कर रहे हो, लेकिन 5 साल बाद वाले अपने के लिए. तो मतलब
Exactly.
वो जो फ्यूचर सेल्फ है आपका, वो आपके लिए बिल्कुल एक मतलब वो एक बिल्कुल ही अलग टॉपिक है जिसपे और हम मतलब.
Correct. That future self is a stranger, right, Vikash? Because अब हमने अभी बात किया है कि brain prefers rewards अभी, right? So it's a
एग्जैक्टली.
double whammy. One is that it's not rewarding, it's effortful. Number one problem. The second problem is the reward is not now, the reward is in the future, right? So a good habit is, in a lot of cases, is a double whammy, which is why आप commitment device पे जाओ, जब whenever it's possible, take the decision out of your hands in advance, right? Is one of the hacks to making a good habit. But otherwise, right, there are multiple things that you can do. So one is stack, again, instead of, imagine if you want to create a habit or break a habit, right? आप इस loop जो हम बात कर रहे थे, which is the trigger and action and reward, this loop has to be broken, right? Now, if for making new habits, it's easier to stack on top of the loop rather than create a brand new thing, right? And what I mean by that is that आपको brushing के साथ अगर floss करना है, तो stack it on top of your brushing, on top of a habit that you're already doing, because the trigger is there, right? Action is there, reward is the same. So it's more easy to stack a habit on top of a trigger you're already used to following rather than creating a brand new trigger, right? That's number one. And to break a habit is the exact opposite, right? Trigger ko invisible banao as much as possible, right? That trigger that's already led to your habit, or create friction. One side, when you want a good habit, you want to remove the friction, right? Like people sometimes sleep with workout clothes so that they can just get up and go to the gym.
Yeah.
So this is one way of removing friction, right? And agar aapko kuch, you want to break a habit, introduce friction, right? It's engineering. At the end of the day, it's about engineering this loop or breaking it or creating it. But
I guess that
easier
knowledge it's
easier said than done. Knowledge to hai, but it's hard. It needs lot of
at least ठीक है मतलब getting old habits or getting old new bad habits, at least that can be sort of थोड़ा बहुत इस knowledge से
correct,
कर सकते हैं. Existing ones के लिए ठीक है, you'll have to, as you said, engineer your reward system
correct,
and the trigger system and
correct,
the
correct.
so वो है. Yeah. So I think we have a lot of material for. I think this discussion cannot happen in just one
I
sitting.
know.
Any
Like,
parting thoughts, Divya?
so
Podcast.
habits से related, just that विकास, ये understanding बहुत जरूरी है, right? Go easy on yourself. It's not easy to have a good habit, like we talked about, or break a hard habit, right? So one is to give yourself that room and give yourself that, again we said, if anything, you have to give enough chances for the rational brain or the deliberative brain to win, and you can't do that when you're consistently stressed, right? Or you're continuously thinking of other things. So the time when you're calm and when you're able to give that power and attention is when you want to think about commitment devices and all of that, right? Don't keep running, just give yourself the time to think
Yeah.
about the habit. Slow down is what I keep telling myself. So that's my parting thought. The pura dunya is just about like running faster and faster, but it's not helping us.
Absolutely. And hide whatever you can. मतलब as simple as notifications अगर आप बंद कर दोगे तो मतलब
Exactly.
50% chances है कि आप will not get into that loop
Correct.
of
Make it invisible, the bad triggers.
visible.
Yeah.
So thank you, Divya, so much for your time today. I think the viewers would find this really helpful on their journey to make decisions that are consonant with their objectives and good habits. So
Chalo.
thank you, Divya.
Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah. And for people, definitely, if you have any questions, please put those in the comments and like the video and share it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.